Hello, if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then you will need to use the USB cable that comes inside the box. This is not the same cable that I'm holding right now that you can find in the box. This is just mine that I use in order to charge my devices. However, the one that you can find in the box, of course, works as well. And then what you need to do is you need to connect your smartphone by using the USB cable to either PC or laptop, or to the power adapter that looks, for example, like this. Now this is Xiaomi power adapter, and of course this works as well. You can use nearly every power adapter that has the USB port. Now in your case you might need to find the power adapter that has USB-C port over here, because this one is USB-A, but I have compatible USB cable for that. So if you, of course, you don't have the power adapter by default when you purchase the device, the box doesn't come, or the smartphone doesn't come with the power adapter or with the charger. So you will need to either use the power adapter from your old device, or you will need to purchase your own. And so let's figure it out how to connect. So I'm gonna plug in the USB cable to the power adapter and of course connect it with the smartphone. And there we go. Of course at the bottom over here you have the USB port, and there we go. We are right now charging our device. If you don't have the power adapter, then you can use PC, laptop, any computer pretty much that has the USB input. Pretty much anything that can generate some power through the USB cable or through the USB port can be used in order to charge your smartphone, but of course ideally you want to use the power adapter. If you're wondering if you can use the wireless charger, then unfortunately the answer is no, you cannot use the wireless charger. This device does not support wireless charging. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!